Before learning about the different roles in SOC, let's take a look at the building blocks of a security operations center. A SOC is built with three entities: people, processes, and technologies. In this lesson, we are focusing on the people aspect of SOC. A typical SOC consists of Level 1 security analysts for monitoring and triaging, Level 2 security analysts for deep dive analysis, Level 3 or SOC lead for building the platform, and SOC manager who defines the vision and the budget for SOC teams. The modern day SOC, however, has more roles like threat intelligence analyst, threat hunter, incident handler, forensic investigator, IR automation engineer, and a red team specialist. Let's take a closer look at each of these roles. Level 1 SOC analyst. The primary responsibilities include 24/7 eyes on glass monitoring, analysis of triggered alerts, usually following a playbook, raising tickets for validated incidents, follow up with the incident response team for remediation, drafting shift handovers, and assisting the L2s and L3s in reporting. Certifications that add value to L1 roles include CompTIA Security Plus and CYSA Plus, EC Council's CEH, and GIAC GISP. Next, we have Level 2 SOC Analyst, who is responsible for deep dive analysis of escalated alerts, assist in incident remediation, also assist L1s in alert analysis, maintaining and improving standard operating procedures and processes, troubleshoot basic SIM issues. The same certifications that are preferred for L1s also hold good for L2 security analysts. Then we have the SOC lead, who is responsible for installing, updating, and upgrading of SIM solution, onboarding log sources and working on log source issues, create and fine tune content in SIM, contents like correlation rules, dashboards, reports, lists, etc. Interact with the SIM vendor support to fix any issues with SIM, install, manage, and build content in SIM, mentor L1 and L2 security analysts, assist in analysis that require involvement of multiple teams, evaluate new solutions for SOC team, create playbooks for all alerts, and also involve in scheduling the shift rooster. Certifications like CISA, CISSP, and SIM certificates like Splunk Certified Administrator and IBM Curador certifications are preferred. SOC manager is responsible for defining the scope, vision, and direction for the SOC team, supervise the team, provide technical guidance, and manage financial activities. Oversee the activity of SOC team members, including hiring, training, and assessing staff. Develop and improve processes and procedures for SOC team. Ensure compliance to service level agreements and process adherence. Create compliance reports, support the audit process, measure SOC performance metrics. SOC manager is also responsible for vendor management and reporting on security operations to business leaders. CISA, CISSP, and CISM certifications add value to the SOC manager role. Then we have threat intel researcher. Responsibilities include track and monitor vulnerability lifecycle from zero-day discovery to CVID allocation and patch releases. Profile and monitor specific cyber threat actors, including nation states, hacktivists groups, and campaigns to understand adversarial tradecrafts along with TTPs. crawl the dark web and deep web to identify new breaches and data leaks, obtain, integrate, and share threat intel with security partners and vendors, conduct research using tools like OSINT, USCERT, CVE MITRE, NVD to generate new threat intelligence, communicate between the intel team and content team to drive and improve prevention and detection, automatic threat sharing using Stix and Taxi. EC Council has a dedicated certificate for threat intelligence analyst called CTIA. Next, we have Threat Hunter, who is responsible for log mining and identifying threats, track threat actors and associated tactics, techniques, and procedures, capture intelligence on threat actors, TTPs, and develop countermeasures in response to threat actors, analyze network traffic, IPS, IDS, DLP events, packet capture, and firewall logs, analyze malicious campaigns and evaluate effectiveness of security technologies, develop advanced queries and alerts to detect adversary actions, coordinate threat hunting activities across the network, leveraging intelligence from multiple internal and external sources and security technologies. CEH, CTIA, and ELK stack are the certifications of choice for threat hunting role. Incident handler. The responsibilities include formulate and execute a response to the incident and verify that it is contained, eradicated, and systems are recovered. Based on the review of the process and steps taken to remediate an incident, suggest and implement improvements in the environment, such as improving technical controls and improve the incident response and improve the overall incident response. Develop and update incident response playbooks to ensure response activities align with best practices, minimize gaps in response, and provide comprehensive mitigations of threats. Security Plus, ECIH, MCSE, and Linux certifications are preferred. Forensic Specialist. Conduct forensic examination on compromised computers and servers through the application of scientific practices for the recognition, collection, analysis, and interpretation of digital evidence. Recovering deleted emails, recovering data that has been deleted or encrypted, and uncovering passwords. Major aim is to establish and provide digital evidence for investigations and court proceedings. Conduct large-scale investigations and examine endpoints and network-based sources of evidence. Write complete, accurate, logical, consistent, and grammatically correct evidentiary quality forensic reports that tell the story of an attack in a way that can be understood by non-technical as well as technical readers. Certifications like CHFI, NK certification, and autopsy certifications are valuable. Red Team Specialist. Continuously scan the network to identify weaknesses in the system, servers, network devices, or users. Launch small-scale attacks without business disruption. Build proof of concepts for known vulnerabilities. Develop phishing campaigns to test users. Do social engineering techniques to evade existing security controls. ECSA or OSCP certifications add value to this role. Automation Engineer. Automate repeated tasks in SOC team. Integrate disparate systems to make them work together. Develop scripts that can be run on infected machines to collect machine state. Automate analysis of triggered alerts using SOAR platform. Scripting languages like Python and analysis tools like ELK Stack add value as certifications for automation engineer. In this lesson, we have learned the different roles that work in a security operations center team. Next, we will look into the different technologies used in SOC.